Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to clean or super clean your dirty dashboard and give it a original restoration shine. So I will use a upholstery cleaner to clean this dashboard. After cleaning I will apply some dashboard polish. So let's first clean the dashboard. For this I will be using the same upholstery cleaner, and I use a sponge, and if in some area we require to scrub, I will use a brush. So let's start the cleaning first. So I have started cleaning with the help of a sponge. I will clean the entire dashboard, and please ensure that you make a thick liquid so that it will help to clean the dust easily, because it's a stubborn dust and dirt actually. In fact, those who drive their cars with their window open, for them this type of dashboard gets dirty faster because dust gets inside the car, so you can't help it. But the only thing is that you can restore it with the help of a cleaner and dashboard polish. Not only that, those who are parking their cars in open area, due to harsh sunlight also, this dashboard loses its luster and color. So cleaning and polishing is must if you want to look your dashboard like a new one. Use a toothbrush to those areas where you cannot reach your hand. We have cleaned the entire dashboard. In fact, you see, none of the letters of my music system were visible. It was so dirty. I thought that all the letters have faded away, but actually it was covered with dust and that dusty layer. So I have removed everything and all the letters are visible now. So the entire dashboard has been cleaned. Now I will apply some dashboard polish to give it further protection. Now I will wipe the soap residue with the help of a damp moist cloth, and after that I will apply some dry microfiber cloth to wipe off the excess water that's there, and I will allow it to remain dry for some minutes, and after that I will apply polish. So the dashboard has been cleaned, and I am waiting few minutes to dry it up. Then after that I will apply dashboard polish. Now I will apply this dashboard polish. This is the Wavex brand, and I have told about this polish. It is leather conditioner and protector, so it will cover all your dashboard areas, car trims, and also leather seats. So let's start applying this polish. This will restore your black color and also protect it from harsh weather and getting cracked and becoming dull also. And this is a very good polish, and I am using this polish for a quite long time. I have applied this polish in my other cars also. It has a very good smell also. apply all areas so none of the area is left behind. Don't apply too much as it has a oily residue, and allow it to dry. I am applying to this steering areas as the steering cover was not there and it's looking very shabby, that's why I applied it. And ensure that after applying dashboard polish you wipe up with a cloth in the steering area so that it doesn't become slippery. So the dashboard job has been finished. So the entire dashboard has been completed and you can easily see the shine it's giving, and it has been cleaned to my satisfaction. So in this way you can easily clean your dashboard at home effectively and very satisfactorily, and it's just looking like a new dashboard. So like this way you can easily clean your dashboard at home and satisfactorily, and I have shown you the procedure. It's very simple, anybody can do it, and this type of procedure you can do it at a detailing shop at a much higher cost, but still sometimes results are not satisfactory. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.